Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you how to change seat position. In the beginning, take a look at the driver's seat. Right here we've got first knob, thanks to which we can change back of the seat position. Thanks to this lever we can change seat height. Thanks to this knob we can change front of the seat height, and thanks to this panel we can change lumbar pressure. To change distance from the steering wheel, use lever right here. Thanks to this small lever we can slightly extend the seat. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.